My name is Michael Gonzalez. I'm from Long Island, New York. I wanted to get a better idea of the business, how it works, how to start up, learn more of kind of like my area of where I should go to start, figure out contracts, with other dealerships, leading on to other types of deals, opening up shops. I think it helped me a lot. It gave me a lot of better ideas on what I should do for mobile. Actually, I enjoyed it a lot. Gave me a lot of ideas on what to do and what not to do. Knowing and understanding all the chemical products that we use. I enjoyed it a lot today. Showed me a lot of things on what to do and what not to do and what products do for you.